a guide to safe and sustainable home cleaning. Tips for a healthy living environment. In the pursuit of maintaining a clean and healthy living environment, it's essential to adopt cleaning practices that not only effectively remove dirt and grime, but also prioritize the well-being of your family and the environment. This guide aims to provide valuable insights and practical tips for safe and sustainable home cleaning. From DIY solutions to eco-friendly products, we'll explore a range of methods that promote cleanliness without compromising on health. Join us on a journey to discover how simple changes in your cleaning routine can contribute to a safer and more sustainable home. 1. All-purpose cleaner DIY. Create your own all-purpose cleaner using a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. This solution is effective for cleaning countertops, glass surfaces, and more. 2. Baking soda scrub. Baking soda is an excellent, non-abrasive scrub that can be used to clean sinks, bathtubs, and stovetops. Mix it with water to form a paste for better scrubbing power. 3. Natural air fresheners. Instead of using chemical air fresheners, opt for natural alternatives like placing bowls of baking soda or lemon slices around your home. You can also simmer water with cinnamon and citrus peels on the stove for a pleasant fragrance. 4. Microfiber cloths. Use microfiber cloths for dusting and cleaning surfaces. They are effective at trapping and removing dust without the need for chemical cleaners. 5. Ventilation. Ensure good ventilation while cleaning by opening windows and doors. This helps in reducing exposure to cleaning fumes and promotes a healthier indoor environment. 6. Green cleaning products. Choose eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaning products. Many companies offer green alternatives that are biodegradable and safe for both your family and the environment. 7. Steam cleaning. Invest in a steam cleaner for deep cleaning without the need for chemicals. Steam effectively removes dirt and grime from various surfaces, including floors, countertops, and bathroom fixtures. 8. Use of essential oils. Add a few drops of essential oils, such as tea tree oil or lavender oil, to your cleaning solutions for a pleasant scent and added antibacterial properties. 9. Cleaning in sections. Instead of cleaning your entire house in one go, focus on one section at a time. This makes the process more manageable and reduces exposure to cleaning agents. 10. Childproofing cleaners. If you have young children, store cleaning products in childproof cabinets and use child-safe locks. Additionally, opt for child-friendly cleaning products that are less harmful if accidentally ingested. 11. Gentle carpet cleaning. For carpet stains, use a mixture of water and mild dish soap. Blot the stain gently rather than rubbing to avoid spreading the stain or damaging the carpet fibers. 12. Proper storage. Store cleaning products in their original containers or clearly labeled bottles. This helps prevent accidental misuse and ensures you use the right product for the task at hand. Remember to always follow the instructions on cleaning product labels and take necessary precautions to ensure a safe cleaning environment for yourself and your family. For more videos, please click subscribe, like and share buttons. Thank you for watching.